Tēnā koutou e hoa mā. This is just a short tutorial on how to use the Māori Dictionary as one of the resources for the te reo classes at the Morrisville Baptist Church. And so obviously you've made it to this page, so you simply just click on the Māori Dictionary and it'll open up a new page for you. And so in here the idea is to type in words that you have received, from the classes, or words you might want to look up that you've heard, and you simply just type it into here. So we'll type in tēnā koe, and you either hit enter on your keyboard or hit the search bar over here. So either will do it, and it'll come up like this. So it'll show you the correct spelling on how to spell it, tēnā koe, and then you can also get an audio on how to pronounce it as well. And so it'll pronounce it for you as well. And so if you wanted to search up another word, you just backspace all that. Or I'm just going to search tēnā kōrua now. And just as an example, but this time I'll hit search. And so it's changed to tēnā kōrua, and it shows you once again how to spell it with the correct macrons in the right places. And you simply hit the audio icon to see how it's said as well. And so that's pretty much it. If you try and write in long sentences though, let's try tēnā kōrua e hoa mā. Okay? If you write in long sentences, sometimes it won't do it because the sentence is too long. It's only short sentences or phrases, and so it may not do it. And so that's pretty much it. So to get out of it, you simply hit the cross up here, and then you're back in the te reo website. Tēnā koutou e hoa mā.